Hey guys, an update on Uranium Energy Corporation and energy fuels are covered as well. So yeah, I think instead of then this being a multi-one too, like we also thought it is gonna be a wave 1 by itself. Wave 2 now, we went pretty deep, but did not hit the 86. This could then be a diagonal by itself in wave 1, okay, like this. We have overlap with wave 1 and wave 3. Wave 1 and wave 4, my bad. And you could see that, for example, here, 1, 2, if this is the 3, 4, or maybe we don't have overlap, but still then I prefer to see this as a diagonal. It is details. Enough about that. I labeled this a wave 1, 2 here, and now we might be pushing in this third wave, okay? Watch the swing here at 13.16 if we can get back above that, and I can draw a box for that third wave. Minimally we would like to see the 1.382 FIB, okay, at 14.29 for this third wave, then a 4, then a 5, and work our way towards potentially this swing or even this swing. I can add here an orange line as well, like this. And yeah, we then reacted to this 0.5 FIB. Also we had the target for the C wave in red here, which were also here giving confluence to this 0.5 FIB. So yeah, perfect. We also had this vertical line indicating, look, wave 2 was this long, wave 4 should also be round about that long in time, and we have now approached it. For me, I'm happy with it. Now to be bottomed would be really nice, but yeah, let's see what it can do. Looks good today for now. Also, yeah, good news this, I guess, for the stock acquirement. So yeah, to the downside, if we go down, watch the orange line at 9.25 and then $9 at 0.6 at the 0.618 FIB. But ideally we just go up from here to attack this box with this fifth wave in blue, okay? Energy fuels. So yeah, we had the labeling of a triangle here. I said on Friday or on Thursday, I think, when we were here or here, look, it looks weak. And then I labeled it as a triangle and I said, look, for this ABC, it looks better to have one more push to the downside. Then we have 5 waves in this C wave, very clear. Unless my count is wrong, because yeah, corrective counts are really not so easy for me. I still try to learn it, but yeah, I labeled this as an ABC because I see here 3 waves to the downside in a wave A, then 3 waves in a wave B, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for now it's reacting to the upside. I don't know, I did not have any levels here, I think. But we are in the support zone. Okay. So now what we want to see is we want to see 5 waves to the upside. I can remove this labeling. I'll just leave the C wave here. We want to see, yeah, initially maybe this is already a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we want to draw fibs here. We want this to hold. This would be a larger 1, larger 2, 3, 4, 5, and this all would be a larger 1, 2, 3, and like that we want to work our way, yeah, towards that box we have for the 5th wave here. I need to adjust it so we go a bit higher even. And then structurally we have also this trend line here we can watch, and this swing at 22.45. For now I can't draw a box yet, because like here on this stock we already had a pullback and it is holding a higher low. so we can draw this box, and it's trying to attack now. You can see it comparing to energy fields where we don't have anything significant. Yes, maybe this is a wave 1 and a wave 2, but it's just way too short. It's not even worth to draw fibs because we've already met it probably as well. Yeah, look, we're almost there. So I'm just gonna wait. If we get maybe something like this, a very little wave 1, and if you then get this pullback, I can draw a box for the wave 3. For now, still too early. Let's just focus on holding this low at 12.11, and then I can add this here for resistance if we can get back above this point of control as well. Would be good. But again, these are just structural levels. I also want the fibs, but I can't do anything yet. We need data for it. But it looks good. It looks really nice how it played out. We have been talking about this and warning about this ever since we were here, and ever since we put this weekly red candle in with high volume, with this wick, with RSI being at 91. I mean, that was a sell and go to the beach. Like, very obvious, very, very obvious. Even if it's so obvious, even if I repeated it often, me myself didn't play it perfectly. I could have sold way more than I did, and I could have bought way more now than, but I'm like, it's okay. I made the mistake. I know I made it. I can improve myself for next time, ideally. But again, I bought this stock somewhere around here, so it doesn't matter. I'm still okay. But if you bought here, then I can understand it's a bit nerve-wracking. That's why you need to be really good with analyzing and seeing risk. We won't know exactly where and how price reacts to which level and where it tops and where it bottoms, but we can say here risk was high, now risk is low because structure looks complete. We are in support. Even if we make one more low, it's okay. Like, we have way less risk here than we had here, okay? But now I'm going again into talking modus, so I'll shut up and leave it here. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.